The final part of the model that we need to create is a solid to act as a perforator. This solid will be used to create an opening in the counter where the sink is placed. It will basically subtract the volume of the perforator from the model. For the perforator, I'm going to set the family in part to none, set the level to default again, but we do want to use a different symbology color to make it easy to select the solid later. We will also change the class to construction just to make sure that the profile shape we use to create the perforator is not visible when we place the cell. Now we are going to use the associative extraction tool to extract the bottom face from the sink bowl. In the associative extraction dialog, select the faces icon, toggle on Keep Associated so that when the size of the sink bowl changes, the extracted face will change as well. Set the face offset to 40 millimeters so that the cut is a little deeper than the bowl. Added to the 10 millimeter thickness of the top surface means we will need an extraction distance that is the bowl depth plus 50 millimeters for the cut opening. We can also define in the dialog the level and color we want to use for the extracted face, as well as the class. Now let's rotate the sink so that we can see the bottom, select the face, and left click to accept. Now that we have the profile shape, we will extrude it to create the solid for the perforator. We can use active attributes. No need to keep the original profile. And it will be parametric, of course. Now for the distance, we want to use the bowl depth plus 50 millimeters. For that, we need a variable that is an expression. Again, we can create that expression right here in the dialog. Select the variable icon, select New Expression, and the expression dialog will open. There are a number of tools across the top for creating mathematical expressions, as well as conditional statements, but we'll keep it simple. Just double-click on the bowl depth variable to add it to the expression. Select the plus sign, and then type in 50. So our expression is bowl depth plus 50 millimeters. It is a good idea to always test the expression. It is valid, so select OK. Now select the profile shape and extrude upward. Note that our new variable is listed in the variables dialog as dim. We can rename it to cut depth. No worries, it will update the name in the model as well. We should also check our variations to make sure the perforator solid is updating along with the sink bowl. Looks like everything is working properly.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.